Hey there, Gator Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. I hope you all have had a great week. I have been crazy excited for this box to arrive all week. All right, so as you can tell by the title of this video, I have a big Wallace first look slash unboxing, whatever you want to call it, video to share with you today on their most recent releases of the caramel color and the sunflower color. And I also have another bag in magnet that I recently got. It's not like a new release, but it's one that I purchased back in January when I had a coupon code. So I grabbed that. I thought I would share it with you today as well. As always with these first impressions type first look videos, if there's a bag that you want to see packed in more detailed, like a full-on packing video, please let me know in the comments down below because it really helps me decide like which ones I'm going to spend a little bit more time on here in my channel. So I have a handful of bags I'm going to show you. I'm gonna tell you what I think about them because I got a little bit of mixed feelings on some of them. And then I also grabbed down a couple from my current collection to show and compare style-wise and color-wise. So let's get on into it. All right, I think I'm gonna go ahead and start with the magnet bag that I grabbed just to kind of get that out of the way. And the main reason I wanna show it to you today is because I love it so much. I've been using it like crazy since I got it. Magnet is one of my favorite, I call it a neutral color from Wallace. I feel like it goes with everything. It goes all year round. It's such a pretty shade, and I grabbed it in the small Metro Tote Deluxe. Now I've done, at least maybe 2 packing videos on this style Wallace. I'm always happy to do another one, maybe like an updated one, but I did not have any more of those in my collection because I had sold off the particular colors that I had, and I needed a new one because this is one of my favorite styles from Wallace, and I'm pleasantly not surprised. I knew it was going to be great, but it's one of my favorite bags. It's so good. And what I love about it is the hardware. I know that sounds kind of funny, but the gold that's on this bag up against the magnet is just so pretty. It's really classic and it's really pretty. I can't say enough about it. Small Metro Tote Deluxe, quick little kind of run through on this one. It's a small tote bag, obviously, and it has a crossbody adjustable messenger strap. You have a pocket here in the front of the bag as well as the back of the bag. And then when you have the main compartment zipped up, you still have 2 more. Let's see how I can show you best. You still have 2 more pockets here at the top of the bag. So there's lots of external pockets before you even get into the main compartment. And it's so soft, it's comfortable, it holds a ton, and I'm a big fan. All right, moving into this release and the bag that I grabbed in the bright, beautiful yellow sunflower color. I was really wanting this Metro crossbody or Metro Sling, I believe it's called. I cut the tag off already, so I don't remember, but I'm pretty sure it's the Metro Sling. And the main reason I wanted to grab this one is because I love my Crosby sling. I have it in this gray magnet color again, and I also have it in black, and I use my black one all of the time. Like, it's one I use all the time. So I was really curious at how the 2 of these compared since I like this one so much. And I knew when they released the sunflower ombre color that I was gonna need some like bright sunflower in my life. I think I told you guys on that unboxing video. I love this. It's so cute, especially in this sling. It's so bright and fun for spring and summer. I'm gonna use the heck out of this at the beach, going hiking, like just out and about, like traveling. It's gonna be so cute with so much. Really quick, like little run through of this one. You have a pocket here on the front. And I don't believe, nope, there's no pockets or anything in that. It's just a big kind of open pocket. And then you have double zipper pulls, which I love, to open up the main compartment of the bag. And then I have to look myself. You have the traditional Wallace zipper back there, and I imagine you have the 2 little slit pockets. You do, just like in all the other ones, kind of right here inside. So that is what's on the inside, but one thing that's different about this one compared to the Crosby sling is you also have a back zipper pocket, which is so great to kind of put your cell phone or your wallet or something like that. It's a little bit closer to your body, especially if you're anything like me and kind of rotate this from the front to the back, depending on what you're doing. It's kind of cool to have that little like secure pocket here on the back of it. So I love this. It adjusts really easily, it looks like, and it has just one little clasp closure here. So holding it up against the Crosby sling, it seems to be a bit smaller. Maybe some of you already know that it is. I had not looked at the measurements, but at first glance, it seems to be just a smidge smaller. Maybe not, maybe it's just the way I have my Crosby sling like laying, but size-wise, seems to be a bit smaller. So I think this would be a really good comparison video, kind of packing the same things up in both and see which one like fits more or the same. Let me know if that's something you want to see. All right, moving on in to the gorgeous caramel color. I was really, really excited about this one, and I have a little bit of mixed reviews on it. I really like it, but it is a little bit warmer and a little bit darker than I would have liked. So right off the bat, let me show you the styles that I got, and then we can talk about things I love, things that I would have maybe liked to have seen differently. I got this cute little drawstring bag. I love this. I saw it online and I knew immediately I either wanted this or the large Pippa because I am absolutely obsessed with this leather strap. I think it's so classic and crisp and clean, and I just really like the entire vibe of this. I also love the zipper pulls, how it has the white accent down here, but I don't know if this was intended to be a fall release or not. I feel like if I was going into fall, I would literally want all of the bags right now because this just screams, I don't know, kind of fall to me. But also, I'm conflicted with that opinion because of the white that's in this strap and on the accents. So I really do think it could be an all year round neutral at the end of it. As far as this style bag goes, I would have liked to seen it just a smidge bigger. I hope maybe that they come out with some that are bigger, but I would have liked to see it a little bit bigger. With that being said, I still love it. I think it's adorable. I will likely carry it on my shoulder with this strap here. It's a keeper for me. I've already taken the tags off. I love it. I'm anxious to pack it up. I haven't obviously packed it up. I literally just took it out of the box. So I'm anxious to see kind of what it holds. Now I did grab, actually let me kind of walk you through this and then I'll show you a couple of other comparisons. So this bag here comes with the leather strap, which we already talked about, in white, and the hardware on this one is gold. That's a little different with this other bag I have, which is kind of interesting, but this hardware on this bag is gold. And then it also comes with a leather strap that is outlined in the red, kind of etching here on the side. It's very, very classy looking. And then it also comes with this strap, which I love. Like, I can totally see myself wearing this crossbody. This kind of gives it a little bit of like a sportier element. This one kind of classes it up. Classes it up? You guys, you feel me. So I really like all the different strap options. The bag has one pocket here on the front. I will unzip it so you can see it. This is the only exterior pocket on this bag. There's nothing on the sides or the back. And then on the inside, it's kind of hard to see, I think, but you have one slit pocket here in the front. Maybe if I turn it around. It's trimmed in this leather. And then you have one zipper pocket in the back. And it is the classic MZ Wallace zipper with the two little like slits on the inside of it. So that is basically the bag in a nutshell. I will likely keep it pretty loose like this when I carry it. I don't really, with it being smaller than I anticipated, I'm not sure that I would like it cinched like this, but I don't know, maybe I'll have to play with it when I pack it up. I grabbed down though, because I thought maybe it would be helpful in my sea of MZ Wallace here, the mini Metro Tote Deluxe, because I know this is a pretty kind of popular style and I wanted to show how this one compares to it size-wise. It is smaller than the mini Metro Tote. So if that tells you anything, like that's kind of next to it. So it's a tiny bag. It's cute and it's tiny. I think capacity-wise, it's probably gonna hold about the same as this mini. Was it the mini or was it the, yeah, I'm pretty sure it was, this is the smallest Crosby that they had or have. And I think that maybe capacity wise, these two will end up being similar in size at first glance, like as far as what they will hold, with this being the smallest one. So that gives you any kind of idea. I do believe this bag, last I checked, was sold out on the MZ Wallace website. It is sold out in this color, so hopefully maybe they'll be releasing more colors. But if you want to see this one packed up, let me know, because I will be trying it out for sure. All right, last but certainly not least is the medium Metro Tote Deluxe in the caramel color. I feel like the lighting coming in right now is almost showing this color brighter than I feel like it is in person. I don't know. I do really, really like it. Like I said earlier with the drawstring, it does lean a little bit warmer for me. I think this one is going to be heading back, only because, not because I'm not obsessed with the medium Metro Tote Deluxe as a style, but I have the large Metro Tote Deluxe in Sesame and I love it. And not that these colors really are the same, because they are not. This one is much warmer, much darker, but I feel like they're too similar almost for me to keep both of them or to have both of them in my collection. I think I want a bright, fun, medium Metro Tote. So I think this one is going to be going back, and I'm gonna wait for maybe their next release to see if there's maybe like a brighter, fun color for spring or summer. But I was really on the fence because I love this style so much. And how cute is the leather white strap that came in this collection. Now this didn't come with this bag. I'll show you what came with this one in just a second. This came with the drawstring one I just showed you. But how cute is that? Like, get out of here. This almost made me want to keep this. Like, it really, really did. Like, I think that is, like, can you imagine like a white button-up shirt, like crisp clean, like comfortable, like distressed jeans, and this for like the summertime? Like that's a whole vibe, right? I loved it. I think it's really, really cute, but I have the Sesame, so I think this one's gonna go back. But man, I am so torn. I am torn. One thing I want to point out, which was confusing to me when I opened it, is the hardware on the drawstring bag is gold, and the straps that are with the drawstring bag are obviously gold. But the medium Metro Tote Deluxe is silver hardware with the same color. So I'm not sure what the thought process was beyond that. Now, hardware mixing metals is not really a big deal to me. I kind of like it. Like, I don't hate it, I don't love it. Like, it's just neither here nor there. Like, there's a lot of times I'll have one of these straps, like for example, like my black one has silver hardware, and I will mix it with a black and gold bag, and I think it's really, really cool. So that doesn't bother me, but I know that that is like a hot topic for others. So this bag comes with the same crossbody strap as this one here. Maybe they're a little bit different. Maybe this one's longer. I don't want to undo it just in case I do end up sending it back, but this one might be a little bit longer of a strap because it's coming with the Metro, versus this one might be a little bit different of a style coming on the drawstring bag, if that makes sense. But the clasp as well as the color of the hardware are different. This one here is gold that comes with the drawstring. This one here is silver, but essentially the same strap. So just something that I thought was interesting that I wanted to point out. So the medium Metro Tote, just for a quick little rundown of it for those of you that may not be familiar, is very similar to the small Metro Tote Deluxe that I just shared. Main difference besides the size, obviously this one being the medium, that one being the small, you have the same exterior pockets that I went over as far as the outside here at the top. But on the medium size, you have a you have a trolley or a luggage sleeve down here. Unzips here and goes all the way up. If you didn't want to use it as like a luggage sleeve, you can definitely keep it zipped down here, and then you just have a nice big like external back pocket. So that is another difference with this bag. Gosh, looking at it in the camera, I don't know. I'm so torn. I think it's real pretty. Gosh. Tell me you're an MZ Wallace fan without telling me you're an MZ Wallace fan. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, so this one, I showed it compared to the sesame, and I also had a mushroom color. They're so different, but it's just kind of like a neutral, so I grabbed it down, and I thought I would show it side by side, just for those of you that were curious. Obviously, the mushroom, I feel like leans a little bit more, I mean, it's totally different, but with it being a neutral, I thought I would just kind of show it there. All right, I think that does it for today's video. That was like a hot mess unboxing. I hope it was helpful. I hope it gave you a lot of information on this new release. If there's any of these you want to see packed up, let me know below. If you think I should keep the medium Metro tote, please help me. But until my next video, I will see you guys later. I will have my link for MZ Wallace down below as well. It is an affiliate link, and I appreciate all of you that continue to shop that link with me. It really helps support me. So I will see you guys on my next video. Have a fantastic weekend. Bye.